Samsung's next release, Galaxy Z Fold 7, is already making waves with leaks that hint at something bigger, slimmer, and smarter than ever before. Starting with the design, this new model is not only thinner and lighter, but also boasts record-breaking thinness for a foldable device. According to Ice Universe, Samsung has managed to shrink the bezels to just 1 millimeter, down from the 1.9 millimeter bezels found on the Fold 6. And this isn't just about the bezels. The overall form factor has been redesigned. It's now taller, wider, and significantly slimmer. The Fold 7 measures 8.9 millimeters when folded, and just 3.9 millimeters when unfolded, overtaking Oppo's Find N5, which previously held the title for the thinnest unfolded foldable at 4.21 millimeters. That puts the Fold 7 at a thickness comparable to a USB-C port, which is borderline surreal in terms of engineering. The inner display on the Fold 7 jumps from 7.6 to 8.2 inches, and while that may sound minor on paper, the real-world difference is dramatic. This now feels more like a compact tablet than a phone. Leak-based mock-ups by PandaFlash clearly highlight the visual leap from the Fold 6, showing slimmer bezels and a noticeably larger screen area. Samsung's redesigned hinge and enhanced crease technology point to serious improvements. It might not be completely crease-free yet, but early hands-on leaks confirm significant progress. The slightly wider gap also seems intentional, likely giving the display more breathing room for a safer, smoother fold. Ice Universe mentioned Samsung is introducing a new kind of battery and charging system, possibly silicon carbon-based, though he didn't confirm specifics. What we do know is that despite this advancement, the battery capacity hasn't increased. It's still 4,400 milliamp hours. That's a bit of a head-scratcher, especially when the Z Flip 7, a smaller device, is getting a 4,300 milliamp hour battery. It seems Samsung prioritized slimming the phone down over boosting battery life, which is understandable from a design standpoint, but will no doubt leave power users wanting more. Charging speed is another mixed bag. Although new tech is involved, certification listings suggest the actual wattage remains unchanged. That might mean better thermal performance or improved efficiency at the same wattage, but don't expect dramatically faster charging times. Still, even with these caveats, the Z Fold 7 represents a major leap forward. From its ultra-slim profile and massive display, to cleaner aesthetics and improved ergonomics, it finally feels like a foldable that isn't asking users to compromise. If Samsung had added a periscope lens or increased the battery, it might have hit perfection. Pricing hasn't been officially confirmed, but expectations are that it will remain in the $1,799 to $1,899 range, similar to the Fold 6. As for the release, Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy Z Fold 7 alongside the Galaxy S25 Edge today, with availability likely beginning in early August.